Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at the Beats Solo 3 Wireless Mickey's 90th Anniversary Edition. Now you can pick these up on Amazon. I'll throw the link up in the description. The price on these, $330. Now this is about to be cuteness overload. First things first, let's go through all of the features. Up to 40 hours of battery life for multi-day use. Now, I actually own these. You can hate on Beats all you want, but one thing you can't hate on is the battery life. The battery life on these are ridiculous. 40 hours. With fast fuel, 5 minutes of charging gives you up to 3 hours of playback. That's a fact. You plug these in for a couple of minutes, you can rock out for a couple of hours. Sleek, streamlined design that's durable and foldable to go everywhere you go. Adjustable fit with comfort cushion ear cups made for everyday use. Take calls, control your music, activate Siri with the multifunctional on-air controls. Alright, so all of that for $330. Let's see what it is. Shout out to White Shoes. She got the day off. Here we go. Beats Solo 3 Wireless Mickey's 90th Anniversary Edition. Exclusivityness. On this side, you got a little message. I cannot think of the pictorial story without thinking about the complimentary music which will fulfill it. Walt Disney. Now, Walt Disney could go eat a dick, but I do rock with Mickey Mouse. All right, Mickey, it's not your fault. Let's see. This comes with the case. You got a little pin. Let me grab a little unboxing knife and let's see what it is. All right, we got the Black Sparrow on deck. Here we go. Rock. Whew. Nice white box. Giggity. If you ever bought Beats headphones, you already know about the presentation. Beautiful. Some more Mickey Mouse branding. Here we go. Okay, here we go. Let's get cute, y'all. Music, make it magic. All right, music makes it magic. Check this out. You got your 90th anniversary pin. All right, let's enjoy this. All right, this is let's see. Oh, look at this. Look at the Mickey Mouse ears. Look at the Mickey Mouse ears. I got the Mickey Mouse ears. This is an actual pin. All right, so we're going to leave that. We're not even going to take that off yet. Here goes your case, and that's pretty much it. Now, this is a nice felt case. Let me do the smell test on this. Smells like velvet. You got your Beats logo. You got your Mickey Mouse ears. All right. Anybody that's ever been to Disney World, you already know the excitement when you see those ears. It's hard to explain. Little Beats logo on the zipper. Nice quality case. Let's see. Inside, here we go. Now here's your headphones. Let's see, did these come with cables? Okay, we got some more stuff in the box. All right, hold up, don't look at the headphones yet. Let's see what else you get. All right, here we go. You get a gray 3.5 cable with your inline control, volume up and down. You hear those clicks? Nice and clicky. Play and pause, activate your Siri now. Let's see. Now this is going to be the usual books and shit. Let's see if we got any troll stickers. Okay, usual. Oh, check this out. Look at this. Got the 90th anniversary Mickey Mouse sticker. Beats logo. There goes the ears. Place that gently to the side. Let's see. Usual books and shit. File those. Warranty information. File that too. Let's see what else you get. Now you get another cable. This is going to be a charging cable, USB to micro USB. And you get a little carabiner clip or hook for the case. Now back to the headphones. Here we go. Bang. Look at this. I got a little sticker on the side. Rah. Another side. Rah. Look at the cuteness. All right, Solo 3 branding. There goes Mickey. All right, got your Beats logo. There's your power button. Let's see if we got any juice on these. Okay, full power. Got all your LEDs. Now, you already know if you got an iPhone W1 chip, put it right next to it, pair right up. Let's see, you got, this is going to be a play and pause button. Now, look, here's my iPhone. See? Just hit connect. Watch how fast these connect. Connecting. Connected, I heard the tone, 100% battery. All right, there's your inline controls. This micro USB charging slot, 3.5 slot. On the top, you got your Beats logo. You got a bunch of Mickeys. Now, let's see how many Mickeys we got on this. Got one full-size Mickey right here. Got another Mickey on the top. Beats logo. Another Mickey and another Mickey. All right, so you got 4 Mickeys. Oh, check this out. You got another Mickey on the bottom. That's 5. And on this side, too. So you got a total of 6 Mickeys. All right, Mickeys on deck heavy. Let's see on this side. Let's see. Heritage 1928. Disney. Y'all see that? On the other side, nothing. Right and left. They do adjust. Now, these aren't new headphones. They're basically a set of Solo 3s with the limited edition Mickey Mouse design. Nice amount of stretch on these. Soft ear cups. Matter of fact, let me put these on. We'll do a little sound test. Let me just make sure they sound exactly the same. Let's pull up some music real quick. All right, so here we go. We're going to come through with some 6ix9ine Tati. R.I.P. 6ix9ine, let's go. Let me get it started. BB with the robbers, looking all retarded. BB sagging, flying like a dragon. Bitches suck my dick, cause I'm flying like Aladdin. Woo! Alright, y'all hear this? Alright, let's do a little karaoke. I'm gonna pull up the lyrics. Let's see if I can sing along. Here we go. Here we go, y'all. These bitches think I'm stupid. I ain't stupid. Dummy's boy fall in love with it. He's stupid. All these hoes on my body. Cut the bullshit. All these hoes, they ain't loyal. Y'all looking stupid. I just left Starless and I ain't even cash out. Back out. Straight to the trap house. I'll blow them back out. Pull the tracks out. Got her running like a track now. Like a smackdown. Rock bottom, I'ma pin her down. Hold up. Let me get it started. BB with the robbers, looking all retarded. BB sagging, flying like a dragon. Bitches on my dick, cause I fly like a lagging. Pull a semi, pull up to the cribby. Licky, licky, licky on my blicky. Take a flicky, make a movie with me. All right, here we go. Let me pause this. Woo. Okay. Basically, these sound exactly like a set of Beats Solo 3 wireless. Crystal clear, heavy on the bass, nice and loud. Why are you buying these? Now, you're not buying these 100% for the sound. You buying these for the Mickeys. Look at the Mickeys. Look at the Mickeys. You buying these for the Mickey Mouse edition. Now, I know somebody's going to say the regular Solo 3 wireless, they run you about $230. If you don't care about Mickey and you just want the solos, get those. But if you want that exclusivity-ness, then you're going to want to come through with these. Fellas, it's Christmas time. If your girl is into all that glittery Mickey Mouse, Minnie Mouse, cute stuff, you cannot go wrong with these. Now, I'm giving these to my daughter. She's going to go crazy. She loves Mickey Mouse. She loves Disney World, Disneyland. Doesn't matter. Anything that has to do with those Mickey Mouse ears, she's involved. She's going to go crazy over these. Anyway. Now, before I get out of here, I'll let y'all see one more time. If y'all want to see the sticker, they go to sticker. Oh, how cute is that? And, of course, the pin. The pin. Now, knowing my daughter, she's going to pin this on a cheerleading bag or something to coincide with the headphones. She's going to be doing it big. Now, 2 things I want to mention real quick. All right, for all y'all fucking haters, stop typing. I already know what y'all writing. Number 1, these are not audiophile headphones. All right, I know somebody's going to say, oh, for $330, you could get the Sennheiser QH11s or the Audio-Technica X912s. Look, bro, all right, calm down. These are not audiophile headphones. Number 2, these are not noise-canceling headphones. I know somebody's going to say for that same price, you could get the Sony M3s, you could get the Bose Quiet Comfort 2s. Listen. These are not noise-canceling headphones. They're not audiophile headphones. These are fashionable headphones. All right? People that buy Beats headphones, they buy them partly for the sound, but mostly for the fashion statement. It's the same reason a lot of y'all running around with those fucking stupid AirPods on. You know them shits is ugly, but you rocking them because you want people to be like, oh, check this guy out. He got the AirPods on. He got an iPhone. He got a MacBook. He be up at Starbucks drinking Frappuccinos. He's doing it. Sleeping on satin pillows. He's the man. You know what I'm saying? People buy Beats headphones for the fashion statement. Same thing with me. Now, I got 1,001 headphones. Look, let me show you these real quick. Now, these headphones right here, they're going to run you about $700. These is basically audiophile headphones. The music is going to sound ridiculous. It's going to sound crystal clear. You're going to hear instruments that you never heard in your life on that same song. But look how these look. These aren't fashionable headphones. If I'm rolling to the airport and I got on a fresh fit, all right, now for all y'all cats that's out the game, a fit is an outfit. If I'm coming through with a fresh fit on, I got my red Feli velour suit on. You know what I'm saying? I got the matching old school white and red Felis on. You think I'm gonna be seen rocking these in the airport? Of course not. I'm coming through with these on. All right, these are more fashionable. Then when I get on the plane, then I switch up and throw these on, throw on the Quiet Comforts, throw on the Sonos, the Sonys, or whatever. The bottom line is, these headphones are more of a fashion statement. And if you're into Mickey Mouse, this might be a collector's edition. You never know. But the bottom line is, please don't hit me with that same comment about how many other headphones you could get for that price. People that's buying these, they don't care about that. They want Mickey Mouse, and you got 6 Mickey Mouses on this. You know? How many? You got 6 Mickey Mice? You got 6 Mickey Mice on these headphones. Everywhere you turn, bang. Mickey right in your face. Anyway, Beats Solo 3 Wireless, Mickey's 90th anniversary. You get the cute sticker. All right, put this on your laptop. You get the pin. Put that on your jacket and rock out. I'm telling you, you're going to be doing it with these if you're into exclusivityness. Like I said, fellas, it's holiday season. If you got kids and they're girls like me, if you got a girl, this is it. All right, now, I've never seen in my whole life, I've never seen a lady walking around with these on. Never in my whole life. But I've seen plenty of ladies at the gym wearing Beats because they cool. I see all of the fellas at the gym rocking Beats because they cool. All right, so if you want to be cool too, all right, you want to be in the in crowd, all right, let me drop some peer pressure on y'all. You want to be down? Get the Beats 90th anniversary Mickey Mouse edition. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about these. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Voxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know, Stream Gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. Oh yeah, special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat, Flossy_Carter, that's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I see y'all in the comment section early. #salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me rolling. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces.
Enterprise, Spock here.
Spock won the beam up.
Affirmative, Captain. Enterprise out.
Energize. Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at the Ghost Tech Soul Drop Pro.